update here on the driveway. They brought one more small pile, and looks like mostly dirt. There's some rock in it. Should help fill in some of the gaps down here, and then I need to finish getting this stuff out, moving it. So there we go. Gonna go see if the skid steer will start. It's been sitting for a few days. Okay, so this thing does have a battery draw on it, or something is pulling it down. I haven't been able to track it down. We're gonna try this. It's been sitting for, dang, I guess a week. Let's see what happens when I hit the key. It's a little sluggish, but it started. All right, I'm gonna get busy here moving